This is Thai restaurant, Q, and it's a bit hard to find because it's inside a restaurant. Outside it says Hang Restaurant. So you go inside, and there are 3 restaurants inside. This is kind of budget Thai restaurant, but it is pretty nice.
What noodle?
One is
Yan tao pho.
and tofu is something like and there is blood
Pink soup.
and there is meatballs, and this is also meatballs and a Thai tea,
Milk tea.
and they're all about only $18. So it's pretty.
$5.90.
No, the whole thing
Oh,
is about $18. So it's cheap for Melbourne, and this is only like $6. That is also about like $6. Very hard to find below $10 anymore, even $15 anymore in Melbourne. So enjoy. I'm going to enjoy it for sure.